Chemistry of Nature by Cameron, Dominic, and Brandon.
You in science?
Okay, enzymes. Proteins that control most chemical reactions in cells.
Inorganic compounds. Compounds made from elements other than carbons. Also, compounds that make up most non-living things.
Mixture, a combination of substances in which individual substances keep their own properties.
Organic compounds. Compounds that have carbon and hydrogen atoms. Compounds that make up all living things.
Heterogeneous mixtures. A mixture a mixture where the substances are not evenly mixed. An example is ice cream with gummy bears.
Homogeneous mixture, a mixture that has two or more substances in which the molecules mix evenly.
Precipitate. Okay, a solid that forms when solutions are mixed and a chemical change happens.
Solute. The substance in a solution that dissolves or seems to disappear.
Solution, another name for a homogeneous mixture.
Solvent. The substance that dissolves the solute in a solution.
Substances. Matter that has the same fixed makeup and properties throughout.
Atomic mass, the average mass of all isotopes of elements.
Atomic number. The number of protons in the nucleus of each atom of an element.
Elements. Matter made of only one kind of atom.
Isotope, atoms of the same element that have a different number of neutrons.
Mass number. The number of protons plus the neutrons in the nucleus of each atom of an element.
Metalloids. Elements that have properties both of metal and nonmetals.
Metals, elements that have shiny or metallic appearance and are very good conductors of heat and electricity.
Nonmetals. Elements that usually look dull and are poor conductors of heat and electricity.
Chemical formula. A form that shows which elements are compounded and how many elements are in it.
Compound, pure substance in which two or more elements combine chemically.
Covalent. A chemical bond that forms between atoms when they share electrons.
The name's bond. Covalent bond. An ion. An atom no longer neutral when gaining or losing an electron. Hey baby, I got my eye on you.
Oh my god.
Ionic bond, attraction and holds negative ions and positive and negative ions close together.
Okay, I'll do it. Nah. Metallic bond. A chemical bond formed when metal atoms share their full electrons.
Acid. A substance that releases positively charged hydrogen ions in water.
Base, a substance that can accept hydrogen ions.
Okay, chemical reaction. A process that produce chemical change.
Here's a cool video.
products. A reaction that releases heat energy.
Chemical property. Characteristics that cannot be observed without changing of substance.
Get dunked on.
Physical property. Characteristic that can be observed without hanging or trying to change the substance.
Physical change. A change in the way an object looks, but not in a way the object is made.
Chemical change. A change that happens when substances are changed into different substances.
Here you go. Here are 2 videos for one physical chemical change.
Now, oxygen's in the air we breathe. It's what makes iron rust, makes our blood turn red. Now, right here, we have a piece of iron, just steel wool. We're going to run some electrons through it and make it react with the oxygen in the air. It's pretty dramatic. Yeah, see how it glows orange? Yeah, that's fine. Glowing pretty good. But over here, we have a plastic chamber that's full of oxygen and another piece of steel wool. Now watch what happens now. Pretty cool. See all the energy that's given off? And the energy's given off because the electrons are recombining with other electrons, making a chemical reaction. So in this reaction, energy's being given off. And in this reaction, we ran energy through the water, and it's separated into hydrogen and oxygen. Now, what would happen if we let these two recombine? We should get water again, right? But we should also get a little energy. Well, we can do that. Because in this balloon, we have hydrogen and oxygen mixed together. And when they recombine, we'll get just a little bit of water vapor, which will end up in the room someplace. And we should get a lot of energy. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Now that's a chemical reaction.
And now for another really big chemical reaction.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
That's all, folks.